Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPhone user, you know how easy it is to accidentally delete an app and then wonder how to get it back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to see recently deleted apps on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS updates making things even smoother, this process is quicker than ever. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. That's the blue icon with a white A. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account. This is where all your app history lives. Now, scroll down to the Purchased section. Here, you might see a tab labeled, Not on this iPhone, or something similar, depending on your iOS version. In 2025, with iOS 19 or later, Apple has made it easier to spot recently deleted apps, so keep an eye out for Recently Deleted filter option. If you don't find it there, don't worry. There's another way. Head over to the Settings app. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. This screen will list all your apps, including ones that have been deleted recently. You can tap on any app to see details and even reinstall it with just a few taps. It's that simple. A quick tip: always make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS for the best features and security. If an app doesn't show up, it might have been deleted permanently after 30 days, so act fast. And remember, this method works for apps from the App Store. Third-party apps might require different steps. There you have it. Now you can easily recover your recently deleted apps and keep your iPhone organized. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.